case, the GTR is dirty, bro. That shit needs a car wash ASAP. This thing needs a whole new makeover. Take out the wrap.
This needs a new owner. Everyone go wish nigga happy birthday the next.
Oh yeah, honestly, when this video goes up, it is my birthday.
It's supposed to, but I mean.
Everybody wish this guy a happy birthday. He's finally 33 years old, guys. If you guys were all wondering his age, he's 33. That's crazy.
Yeah, guys, what's up? Thank you guys for watching another video. Today is my birthday. Today you guys are watching this. I turned 26, bro. I'm freaking old.
Haircuts out here and we're in the GTRs.
You get a haircut too? I'm the only one with no haircut. I gotta get my haircut. So while Hugo and David take the GTR, they're gonna go to the shoe store. I'll probably meet them there. I'm gonna film a video because I do not want to miss a daily upload. So shout out to Hugo for letting me drive the E92 right now to film a video for you guys. We're gonna do a little point of view video in the E92.
Go swing it. It's got some oil change, new tires, everything's good.
I'm gonna mess your tires up.
If you crash it,
But yeah, guys, it is my birthday today. I turned 26. A lot of you guys might actually think I'm younger because I just look young, thankfully. I could probably pass for like 21 or something. And I'm probably gonna throw a birthday car meet. I just don't know when. Go to my Instagram right now at FindingNick, and I'm probably gonna post it on there. So go right there. I want everyone to pull up for my birthday car meet. And if there's one gift that you guys can get me, it's to go cop a ski mask right now on shopfindingnick.com. Cop a ski mask. They're almost all gone. They actually sold out, and I put a little bit more on the website. So once those are gone, they're gone, guys. So go right now, cop a ski mask before they're actually gone forever. Ski masks are sick. I love them, and that's all I want for my birthday. It's for you guys to cop a ski mask. Anyways, we are in the stick shift E92 M3. About to make a little point of view video, just like the old days in my E92. And guys, this is the same exhaust that was on my E92, and pretty similar steering wheel too, if you guys remember. So this really feels like my car and sounds like my car. The only thing is this was stick shift, which is fun, bro. It's so loud. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. We are almost at 200,000 subscribers and we are growing like crazy. So I appreciate you guys so much for showing all the love, support, and everything. Smash the like button for me too before we even get the video started. I literally got no plans right now, and like I said, I don't want to miss a daily upload, so we're gonna film a little point of view drive for you guys. Woo-hoo! It's so loud. The downshift sounds so good though. Our goal is to not get pulled over because this car is super loud. I know for a fact the cop will stay right with us ASAP. Back in Cali, guys, where there's stupid emission rules where you can't have a loud car. And then you go to Texas and you see turbos hanging out the hood everywhere. And hood exits, single turbos, everything. Isn't it crazy how different the car scene is over there? All because of the laws over here, guys. For those of you that are not in California, California cops, they'll ticket you for a modified exhaust tip, bro. Even if you just change the tips. So how do you expect someone to do like turbos and all that stuff? My DCT was fun too, but stick shift's just so much more fun, bro. If you guys haven't watched last video, I was actually drifting Hugo's car in the rain. It was pretty fun. But yeah, driving this car for the past couple of days definitely made me regret selling mine a lot. I had no reason to sell my car, guys. I don't know why I did it. At the time, I just got my GTR, so I was so excited. Like, getting your dream car I literally just neglected the E92. It just sat there in my driveway. So that is why I ended up just selling it. And the guy who bought it was very persistent on buying it. Like, he wanted to buy it so bad. He was like, I have cash in hand. So I was like, you know what? The car's just sitting there. Then we just sell it to the guy. But now I regret all of that because there was no point. And I don't know, for some reason, when I had the E92, like, it started dying out. And as soon as I sold my E92, the hype went up. Everybody wants the E92. God damn. Everybody wants the E92. Everybody's copied E92s. And I'm like, bro, what the heck? As soon as I sell mine, the E92 is the new wave. I do feel like it could be the best M3 ever made though. Like, I'm gonna buy another one day. 100% I'm gonna have another E92 one day. Comment down below, what is the best M3 ever made? Is it the E92? Not the fastest, obviously, but the best sounding, best driving. I don't know. I think the E92 might be one of the best M3s ever made. It's the only one with the V8 too. The downshift sounds so good. This car is way too loud. I don't know how Hugo doesn't get pulled over more. But I checked find my iPhone and I caught up to Hugo. From the outside. I've said this before in a past vlog, but like, it's the best feeling seeing your own car drive, because you never get to see it. You're always the one driving. And that shit needs spacers bad though. Bad. Yeah, that car is so ugly right now. The wrap is ugly, the wheels are ugly, the car is dirty. The car is in need of a full makeover right now, guys. Throw the wheels back on. I'm gonna take off the wrap, maybe throw back on the wing, and we'll have the all black setup. Look at this picture I found the other day of my car. It looks so good all black. I don't know why I even wrapped it. Who made me wrap it? The new color's sick and all, but the black just is on a whole nother level. Like how I cut up to you?
Yeah, I seen the
for sure. You were looking at his
Find my iPhone?
Bro,
Yeah.
E92 looks crazy with the headlights.
For real?
It looks sick.
Where are we at, bro? Where did David take us?
Look, my two keys.
Hey, from the looks of it, does it look like there's gonna be an issue here?
Hell no, this is gonna get robbed up in here, brother. My GTR looks whack.
We need to wash it.
Bro, I hate the wheels. Damn, those shoes. Look, you. There's a lot of shoes here. We're going shopping real quick for my birthday.
Told you.
Why you bring me here, bro? I'm gonna buy something.
I know, I told you.
Look, they match my car. Guys, I have these at home. How much are they? 500 bucks. Damn. I wanted to buy these guys. I want to buy a bunch of shoes. Go want a pair of shoes online. So.
But I want to change the size. I need a
Got the
9.5
size. So we came here to try to replace Hugo's shoes, guys, because he wants a different size. But he won those shoes. Supposedly, like the guy said, that might be one of the hottest shoes out. But they're really that popular?
Yeah, it's because they're not a regular shoe, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's an SB. Look at the box is even different.
And we
Look,
in SB.
Nike SB.
We're gonna get robbed out here.
That's what I told him, bro. I was like, bro, this comes together, bro.
They're hard, bro.
They are hard. They just, bro.
I wanted to wear them for your birthday, but
all white, bro. I don't think that's gonna work.
They're not gonna fit?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.